Hi guys, may nabili ako dito sa TikTok na projector, mini projector. Ayan. USB type lang siya. Tapos, meron siyang 10 bala. Ayan, 10 bala niya.
And then I'll finish it up by doing this. And it's done.
Saksak lang natin sa
What kind of trap is it?
cellphone USB. Ayan.
It's
Ilaw na siya.
This trap has been
Tapos nandito sa sarili ng saksakan ng bala niya.
There's something says
Off natin yung ilaw.
triggers an alarm.
Ayan. Off yung ilaw. Sige. Lagay mo sa gilid.
That was impressive.
Tingnan mo.
We'll place these around the phone
Yun.
to capture
O,
the
diba?
video. And once it's strapped,
Para
I'll
siyang
use
moon.
flint and steel to take it out.
Oh, may moon ka na sa bahay.
But isn't it dangerous?
Marami
to
siyang
go near the
bala.
farm?
Wrigglers aren't active during the day.
Oh, palitan mo ulit.
Before it gets
Change mo ulit isa.
That makes sense.
Kuha pa siya, palitan niya. Sige.
If wrigglers aren't active during the day, let's all split up and set up the traps before the sun goes down.
Sounds good.
All right?
Ayan,
You and
bata.
I will set up the security system on this side of the farm. So, for the first trap, let's see.
Tigas.
I guess we can set up
Diyan
the
mo
first
lang.
trap
Sige,
over
diyan.
here. All right. Let's start by making a space around here so we can build the trap.
Lakas
This
mo.
should be a big enough
Ayan,
space.
sige.
Okay, the first step is to dig a hole.
Oh, ito naman.
And then I'll fill the hole with stone bricks
Oh,
like this.
diba?
Great. Next, I'll build the upper
Ang
part
ganda
of the
niya,
trap.
guys.
I'll start by
Oh.
making a platform like this. And then, I'll surround the stone bricks.
Marami
with
siyang bala eh.
spacers.
Meron pa nga dito yung earth eh. Ang ganda rin.
Alright,
So lang,
moving
hindi ko na
on.
mahanap kung nasaan.
Now I'll place iron bars into each of the dispensers, just like this.
Tapos na yan. Tapos na yan. Finish na yan.
Then, to top it all off, I'll place these on top of the platform.
Ito.
Next, I'll put a redstone lamp on this side, and then I'll put a note block on the other
Ayan,
side.
sige.
Lagay ko nga.
Now I'll come down here and attach some daylight detectors on the
Ah,
platform.
yun.
Ano yan?
Ayun yung earth.
I'll place pressure plates here on the ground.
Oh, diba?
The first security trap is complete. Now let's make a couple more of these around the farm.
Oh, ang ganda niya guys, no?
Let's build the next one a little further away. I guess we can make it over here.
Nabili ko lang siya sa TikTok.
We're gonna do the exact same as
Nasa
before.
179 lang isa. Bumili ako ng dalawa.
Now we'll
So, yun
fill
lang,
these
guys.
dispensers with iron
Effective
bars.
yung gumagana naman yung bigay ni seller.
And then I'll place the pressure
Tuwan-tuwa yung
plates
bata.
down here. And with that, the second security trap is complete. Now let's
Tanggal ka
build
pa isa.
one more.
Okay. Ito, di ko
All right,
pakita
let's build it over here.
Ayan, sige.
First, we'll clear out some space. Now I'll place the pressure plates. And with that, the third security trap is complete.
blue.
That should be good enough.
Galaxy.
Let's head back to the old man.
Okay.
Where is the old man?
Mas maganda
Oh,
yan.
there he is.
We set up all the traps.
Great. The Wriggler will become more active at night. So let's all wait.